Get the cleanest wash with IFB fully automatic top-load washing machine. The smart and stylish appliance is available in various capacities with 5-star energy rating. IFB washing machines come with innovative crescent moon drum design that creates a gentle water cushion that prevents damage to fabrics, and optimally placed hoses provide the mechanical action required to get the desired wash results. IFB front-load washing machines come with an inbuilt device consisting of advanced magnet technology that breaks calcium into minute particles, which helps in better mixing of detergent and gives the clothes a softer wash. Equipped with a multi-directional water flow, this ensures thorough soaking and a cleaner wash. Switch on the child lock function and let the machine work without any disturbance, even if your child plays with the buttons. IFB washing machines are built to last with a first of its kind 4 years comprehensive warranty on the entire machine. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.